Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Automotive Electrical Tools is probably one of the most important investments you can make as a DIY car enthusiast or professional mechanic, ensuring you have the right tools for diagnosing and fixing complex electrical issues in modern vehicles, from simple bulb replacements to intricate computer module repairs, and this video will guide you through the top picks available on the market today, helping you choose the best tools to suit your needs and budget. Number 5. ALLSUN M415 Pro. It quickly identifies open circuits and alerts you. This helps you pinpoint broken wires or connections easily and efficiently. It also helps you find short circuits. Listen for tone changes as you flex wires to detect intermittent problems. It works on a wide range of DC circuits, from 6 to 42 volts. This makes it suitable for various vehicles, from cars to boats. It's simple to operate, just connect it to the circuit and it will quickly show you if there is a problem. The built-in buzzer provides clear audio feedback. It helps you quickly diagnose electrical problems in your vehicle circuits, saving you time and effort. It makes finding faults much easier. It's built to withstand power surges and overloads. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage bag for easy portability. What we like. This tool quickly identifies open circuits and short circuits in your vehicle's electrical system. Its wide voltage range ensures compatibility with various vehicles. If you need a fast and reliable way to troubleshoot electrical issues, this is the tool for you. What people say. This is a good tool that is inexpensive and will pay for itself time and time again, chasing down open and short circuits just from the time you'll save as a flat-rate technician. I ordered it on Saturday, got it on Sunday, and used it on Monday. I was using another brand of short open finder that you can buy off the tool truck for quite a few more bucks than this costs, and I've opened up the wire harness in 4 spots with false readings and found nothing. I spent a considerable amount of time trying to find an open circuit that could have been anywhere from the front PDC all the way to the spare tire where the tire pressure monitor module is, but decided to move on to something else because I had several things to do and come back to it later. I ordered this tool and used it Monday. I hooked it up to my circuit, and within 2 minutes I had located where the open was in the harness. I opened it up, and sure enough, that was where it was. I repaired the wire, and the Jeep was fixed. Bought this specifically to locate a break in a boundary wire for a Gardena robot mower made by Husqvarna. I wasted hours trying to find it without a tool, but within 10 minutes of hooking this thing up, found the source of the break nearly 100 feet away from the loop. The signal had grown quite weak by then, but was still detectable if the sensor was placed next to the wire. I'm sure this thing will come in handy for future repairs to the boundary wire, as well as wiring issues on vehicles. The transmitter outputs 8 volts into the wire you have it connected to. This is used in a continuity setting to send the 8 volts through the wire to test if it has continuity, or is open. Some electronic circuits can't tolerate 8 volts, so be careful of the kind of circuit you are connecting to. The transmitter, in tone setting, outputs 1.2 kHz signal at 0.2 volts. This may be safe for most circuits. The transmitter, essentially, turns the wire you are checking into a transmitting antenna, transmitting at 1.2 kHz. As an antenna, it only needs the positive connection to the car's battery to transmit. Number 4. Topdiag P200 Kit. This kit provides more than 15 car diagnostic services, almost every tool you need in one device. It's incredibly versatile and will save you valuable time. It functions as both a multimeter and an oscilloscope. You can test voltage, resistance, and even view waveforms to pinpoint electrical issues quickly and efficiently. Directly apply power or ground to test components like lights and motors. This dynamic testing method helps you diagnose problems faster. It's designed for ease of use. It automatically detects parameters, displays results on a clear LCD screen, and even has a 20-foot cable for easy access. Regular fuel injector testing is crucial. This kit offers various pulse signals to help clean your injectors effectively. Don't get stranded. It easily tests relays, so you can fix lighting problems or other relay-related issues on the go. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, it's perfect for various automotive electrical system tasks. It's an invaluable tool for any car owner. What we like. This advanced tool offers a wide array of diagnostic functions, including oscilloscope capabilities. It can even activate components for dynamic testing. If you're a professional mechanic or serious DIYer needing versatile diagnostics, this is your best bet. What people say. It has proved to always be accurate and therefore be very reliable. It has survived being dropped and handled normal wear in a shop environment. I use every function on it besides the diode tester, due to not having many opportunities in an automotive setting, and especially appreciate the one-channel lap scope, something not available in name-brand power probes. Since then, it has become my primary tool for electrical diagnostics. I am happy with my purchase. First, it comes with a 40-foot cable. That is amazing. When doing trailer and RV wiring, I can power it by the batteries in front and I have 40 feet to mess around with. This was the best. As for functions, it has all the basic functions you need and a couple of advanced ones, but it is not as advanced as some of the really good automotive ones or the flukes, but again, at this price, what do you expect? It is accurate, and always works so I can test the circuits. Number 3. Lisle 37960 pliers. These pliers make removing locking push-tab connectors a breeze. It's the perfect tool for working on mass airflow sensors, fuel injectors, and more. Use the hook to pull out the locking tab, then use the pointed end to engage it. It's a simple two-step process. Gently squeeze the tabs together and lift to separate the connector. This prevents damage to your components. It's designed for one-handed use, making it ideal for working in tight spaces. You'll appreciate the convenience. With its 8-inch length and dual geometer grips, it's comfortable to use even during extended jobs. It provides excellent reach and control. Built to last, this tool is a valuable addition to any mechanic's toolkit. It's designed for reliable performance. What we like. This simple yet effective tool makes removing stubborn connectors a breeze. Its design allows for one-handed operation, even in tight spaces. If you value ease of use and efficiency, this is the tool for you. What people say. 60-degree disconnect pliers are a must for those hard-to-reach places. The right tool for the job, flatheads pocket pry bars have their place. This disconnect plier grips and is angled perfectly for comfort and ease of use in any area. Another game changer from Lisle. It made connector so easy even in hard-to-reach places. These make automotive disconnection a breeze. Hard to reach. Grab them if you see them. Number 2. 96 PCS Terminal Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for efficient and safe terminal removal. It's perfect for automotive, household, and electronic repairs. It's made of durable stainless steel and plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance and repeated use. The various sizes are suitable for a wide range of applications. These ergonomically designed tools make removing car trim easy and safe. They're perfect for audio, door panels, and more. The diamond grip cleaners remove corrosion and extend the life of your harnesses. They're designed for both flat and casing terminals. Test your vehicle's electrical system with the included circuit tester. It has a 6-24V DC voltage testing range, ideal for fuses and battery checks. The kit includes 76 terminal removal tools, a circuit tester, 5 terminal cleaners, 13 trim removal tools, and a protective bag. Everything you need in one convenient package. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for terminal removal and basic circuit testing. It includes various tools for different connector types and sizes. If you need a complete solution for various connector types, this is the kit for you. What people say. Compact and comprehensive set. The case is very neat and seems like it is quite durable. Changed my alternator pigtail since previous owner broke the retaining clip. The tool was flawless. You have to know the connectors and use the tool appropriate. This works perfectly. I had to swap some wires on a radio harness and with this it was easy to do. Number 1. 172 PC Terminal Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for efficient and safe terminal removal. It's perfect for automotive, household, and various other applications. With 59 single-pin, 80 double-pin, and 3 triple-pin extractors, it handles a wide range of terminals. Plus, it includes 30 casing tools for complete connector management. It's built to last with high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic. The robust construction ensures long-term use and reliable performance. Simply push and pull to remove terminals effortlessly. Remember to address any barb clips before pulling out the wire ends for a smooth process. The included protective bag keeps everything organized, portable, and away from children. This ensures safe storage and easy transport. It's suitable for various applications, from cars and motorcycles to household appliances. This kit is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This extra-large kit offers a wide selection of terminal removal tools, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. The high-quality tools are built to last. If you need a large selection of tools and prefer a well-organized kit, this is the one for you. What people say. These extraction tools are a good buy, for the money, for their application, and for their wide range of types and sizes. They are firm enough to compress the locking tab of a pin to extract it from a connector. Keep in mind that the same type and size of extraction tool in this set might be used in various makes of vehicles, GM, Ford, Toyota, Hyundai, etc. It all depends on which manufacturer's electrical connector a vehicle manufacturer used. It's a nice bulk kit, comes in a handy little pouch, but it is a bit of a mess when you open the pouch. Still though, they do the job and you aren't too worried about breaking them with all the spares. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.